I took my almonds, I took 3 cups of water and 2 cups of soaked almonds. In my previous video, I showed you about soaking almonds, and those 2 cups of almonds that I soaked, I added 3 cups of water to my blender, and I blended it. And you can add as much water as you want. I do 8 cups of water, maybe almost 9 cups of water to 2 cups of soaked almonds, and it makes 2 quarts and a pint about of almond milk, and I make this probably about twice a week. So at this point, I blended them in my blender, and I blended them quite a while to where they are blended and there's hopefully no chunks. And I right here have my nut milk bag in a bowl, and I'm going to pour this milk mixture into my nut milk bag. Okay, so I'm going to pour my milk mixture into the bag. And then, as you can see, there's still some residue in my blender. So I'm going to take and kind of rinse that out and add another couple cups of water. So that'll be 5 cups of water total. Cold water. So that is 3 plus 5, that's 5 cups of water total. And I still need about 3 more cups. I don't know, I just do it this way so I don't have to squeeze so much water through my nut milk bag. And you just start squeezing. Kind of like reminds me of milking. I milked cows and sheep when I was younger. It just kind of reminds me, you just got to be patient. Don't squeeze too hard because you'll break your bag open. And this bag, all it is a paint strainer bag I get at a hardware store. And they work great. They have elastic on the top, so if you are pouring into a bowl, it'll go around the rim of the bowl. And they're only about $1.50 a piece compared to a regular nut milk bag that's $10 a piece. So just a good way to save money. And you just keep squeezing until you get your milk. And this pulp, you can freeze it and make cinnamon rolls out of it. You can take and make croutons out of it with, you can add zucchini to it, blended, make croutons. You can make a cake, and the cake that I make is the lemon poppy seed cake with almond pulp and jicama, and oh my, you can't, it's rich and you can't even really tell. I mean, you can tell it's not really a flour cake, but it's very close. I mean very close. Everybody that's had it loved it. I made a wedding cake out of this almond pulp, and it was absolutely gorgeous. You can also you can put it on your dehydrator and dehydrate it, and then blend it in your food processor and make an almond flour, dehydrate and store it in jars. So that's about it. I'm not getting really anything else out of it, but you get what I'm doing. I have 3 more cups of water in my pitcher, my blender craft, and I'm just going to pour my milk into here, and then I'll just put it into jars and store it in the refrigerator, and that's my almond milk. Very easy. Dr. Young, in his book, recommends almonds as the most alkaline nut, and I eat a lot of almonds, almond milk, almond cheese. It's alkaline. It keeps your body, well, with the alkaline diet, you will keep your body in an alkaline state. So this is my favorite nut that I use on a daily basis, is almonds. Okay, I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.